guys, welcome back to another video. I did not think I was gonna make a video today, but got some things in the mail. 2 fidgets. Yes, I know what both of them are, and you probably know what this one is, but maybe not this one, which is why we're going to open the little one first. Okay. I've been waiting like 2 months for these to come. It took longer for this one to come, whatever it is. It's a Neato! If you guessed it right, give this video a like. And if you guessed it wrong, give this video a like. This stuff looks different. This is like not the same as the past Neatos I have. The color changing ones too. I still love it so much. Okay, been so excited for these to come. I'm going to open this one. Honestly, don't tell no one, but I've been more excited for this bigger one to come. Just my gosh. Like, I'm 11, this is my hand, kind of normal for 11-year-olds, and look at it compared to this. Oh my gosh. This is the biggest poppin' I have, obviously. It always comes on the soft side. Let's see if the soft side is good, because if it's not good, that's going to be annoying, because since this is really big, it's going to take a long time to do the soft side, and it'll be annoying if it's bad. Ready? It's louder than the big poppet that I have already, but it's still like hard to push down. Look how big this is.
Oh wow, it's pretty.
Pretty big. Okay. Almost done with the soft side. And because I love you guys so much, I'm going to pop the good side and make myself annoyed again. And here we go. Yeah. Okay, well, oh, why is this so warm? What the heck is that? Okay, well, so you know how it's blue? It goes to like a purplish pink. And then it just keeps getting more and more pink until you get to here. So, yeah, it's so cool. And I'm gonna try to do the same thing. Pizza! Like, comment, anyone on TikTok, like, you can share if you want, I guess. Make sure you do subscribe. Like, hit the, not the plus, the big red button. If it's still red, make it gray, because gray is so much better than red. Gray is my favorite color. Like, why would anybody like the color red? Like, okay, well, yeah, make it gray and make it say subscribed instead of subscribe. And follow my TikTok, GIO more. GIOGIO.DEPAOLI. Make sure you're following that because you never want to miss one of my videos. I just made a video today. I think I can show you it because it doesn't have any music. But you know, do I want to? Yeah, you're going to have to go check it out for yourself. So, bye. See you next time.